hard to keep the clear coat on them. Like I've wet sanded and polished these like so many times. So we're gonna rebuild these, and I'm gonna do some different stuff inside of them, and probably some different lighting, maybe some sequential strips. I wanted to point out how bad that is. Like I've got some massive rock chips in these, and they're super messed up. My car is nothing but cracked fiberglass now. Y-body kit's cracked up, and yeah, we got some body work to do. I have a lower piece of the Y-body that got split almost in two, and I gave it to Brady. Shout out to Brady, Stiffy, with the cambered out Foz on VSKFs. But anyways, he's gonna refiberglass some stuff for me and then send it down, and then hopefully we'll have all of our body work done in time to wrap the Eclipse.
Good luck.
So I didn't show it, but I took these home and baked the lenses off of them finally, so I can go ahead and do some stuff inside of them. And I really wanted to get rid of this amber because it looks a lot cleaner without it. And I gotta clean the fuck out of these lenses because that is... Andre, I can't see you, dude. Holy fuck. So this is what it looks like after 800 wet sand. Pretty ugly, but it's got to get ugly before it gets better. And now I'm going to hit it with 2000, and then I'm going to try and polish it. See how that goes.
Can you see my face?
Not very good. We'll try it again when I got them done. So I sanded it with the highest grit sandpaper that we got, and now I'm going to wipe it down and polish it.
So Jonah broke the shit. Everybody's covered in polish, man.
Covered in Polish.
Blaze got polish all over him. The lights got polish all over him. Jonah's got polish all over him.
I am Polish, man. This, I think I got it figured.
It's dumb.
I think I got it figured out.
Hope so. Nope. There you go.
I have so much polish in my eyes right now. So that's one pass of polish. I haven't even wiped it out yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and do like probably 2 or 3 more passes. I'll show a comparison of these ones compared to the other ones after. 3 passes, I just wiped them down. Andre, pass the clear check.
Yeah.
That's a massive difference. I didn't really worry about it here because the eyelid covers that anyways. You can see where it was in the old one. Lights finally came in the mail after waiting so long, and Andre's tint came in the mail this week too. So we finally got these, and they're not set in there completely yet, but we just got them retrofitted in, so we can go ahead and run these to the blinker and then run the test light on them to make sure that they work. Check out that merch though. Link in the description. Oh boy. You want to know what's awesome, Andre? The halos I got. These bad boys right here do the exact same thing. They're out of sync. They're a little out of sync. Andre, look away.
Yeah, no, not
Holy shit. You can't even see it's a circle. It's so bright on camera.
Really?
Yeah, and then here's the blinker. Fire.
And it's really bright.
And they don't get warm.
It's gonna be sweet.
The way it looks in camera is gonna make it look really good in pictures. Fuck yeah. Sick. Super stoked on that. It was kind of a pain in the ass to get it in the lens. I've learned a lot of new curse words today. So did Andre.
Oh yeah, dude. That looks sick. Because it reflects like into the whole headlight.
Yeah.
That's so sick. Sweet, dude.
Wait till I put the halo in there.
Yeah, I can't wait till it's all done. You even more excited now?
Huh?
Are you even more excited now?
For what?
Getting this all done?
Man, it's just been a long time coming. I've slacked on the car all the way through, dude. So it feels nice to finally get shit done on this.
Oh yeah.
More or less is waiting for parts because as you guys all know, COVID kind of fucked us for like shipping parts out and stuff.
Yeah.
So yeah, waited a long time for these stupid fucking sequentials to come in. I've had the halos for like a month, but there's like no point in starting it if you only have one thing. Next on the list is wrap. So I'm not going to tell you guys what color it is in this video, but I'm not going to do that whole black and white bullshit that everybody else does. When the fucking video of the wrap comes out, you're going to see the wrap.
Yeah. Dude, the mods don't stop.
The mods don't stop.
They just keep coming.
Listen, we always say our cars are like, oh, we're trying to get our cars done. The car's never done.
Yeah.
You might as well just go, here you go. Have it. Take it all. I don't want it.
Yeah. Same thing with my car, dude. Just like, just have it. You might as well.
I don't know how all these 10 stay together. Hope that doesn't happen at the strip club later. But surprised these aren't flickering on the camera. Dude, that looks dope.
Dude, it looks pretty sweet.
So I sealed the headlight all up. There it is right there. It's kind of hard to see with this lighting because they're super freaking bright. But I'm taking out the bulb, the orange bulb, because they don't need the orange bulb anymore. Because as you see, if I hit the blinkers, hold on, I'm gonna focus. Everything turns orange. So that bulb is on the so I'm gonna take it out. But yeah, anyways, there you have it. Yeah, basically, that's it. Right there. I'll leave the link in the description for all the parts I use to say bye.